In today's video, we're going to be testing out a popular Bambu Lab accessory called the Panda Knomi, which is an all-in-one LCD screen for your Bambu Lab printer head.
So we're back with another sponsored video, but this week we're going to be reviewing BIGTREETECH's Panda Knomi. Some of its features include its customizability, both through the app and through 3D printed mods, its plug and play ability, and its engaging GIFs which give users real-time updates on what their printer is doing. Better yet, the Panda Knomi is actually open source, which allows users to customize the LCD screen on it. That's why combining this product with your Bambu Lab 3D printer makes it even more functional and aesthetic.
So here are the two boxes the Panda Knomi comes with. The first one has all the components. This includes the cable that connects to the printer, the actual LCD screen, a random rubber ducky that I don't know, some zip ties, and some instructions at the bottom. And then in the other one, it comes with the case and more instructions for the actual printer and how to connect it. So here's the actual Panda Knomi all assembled. It was actually pretty simple as long as you follow all the instructions they have. They have a pretty laid out website so you could follow everything, and setting it up is really cool. It also has this little animation, this default animation, which you can obviously customize and change, but I'm leaving it as it is because I liked it a lot. So enjoy some B-roll of the actual printer being used with the Panda Knomi.
Moving on, this product is actually very fairly priced. For A1 and A1 mini printers, it costs $49.99, and for X1 printers, it costs $59.99. This is the price for a complete set, but you can also buy the pieces separately. If you're interested, check out our link down below to purchase one of your own. And while you're there, also check out our Maker World, where we're going to be uploading our own mods to this device.
So here are my closing thoughts. I think this is probably the coolest accessory you can add onto your Bambu Lab printer because of how customizable it is and how awesome it really is just to use. But that being said, it is an accessory. So an accessory should be treated as an accessory. It's not a necessity. If you really can't afford this, then don't buy it yet. Wait, go 3D print some stuff, and maybe in the future, consider buying the accessory. If you'd like to buy it, make sure to check out our affiliate link in the description. My two favorite features about this printer are how customizable it is, how you could change the GIFs, for example. But on top of that, also the fact that you can see the progress you have on your printer from the nozzle directly. Because whenever I go check on my printer, I always have to go directly to the screen. Now I can just walk into the room and from a very far distance, know how much is left in the print. So let us know, what do you guys think? On top of that, thank you guys so much for watching. Remember to like and subscribe, and we'll see you guys next week.